Hi, I'm Dr. Stephen Gundry for Gundry MD. I'm here walking through the vineyards of the Douro Valley, one of the most beautiful wine-producing areas in the world in Portugal. And I just want to show you one of the reasons that I've chosen to put certain components of polyphenols in Gundry MD's Vital Reds. You see the dense red colors. These red colors of these grapes as they're going into fall are polyphenols. And polyphenols are actually one of the most important ingredients that turns on the bacteria and the cells in all of our bodies. And they communicate with the cells and our genes to tell us that time of winter is coming and that we should energize ourselves and get ready for winter. A lot of the polyphenols in grapeseed extract and in grapes are included in Gundry MD Vital Reds. I'm always looking out for you. This is Dr. Gundry for Gundry MD. So today, I want to show you what soda is actually doing to your insides. You know how terrible it is for you, but it's hard to quit, and I would know. I was a Diet Coke addict. I drank 8 a day.